Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Circle to search on your Google Pixel 10a. To activate this feature, simply hold your finger down on the navigation bar if you have the gesture navigations enabled, and after holding your finger for a couple of seconds on the navigation bar, you'll be able to draw a circle around anything that you see on the screen of your device. And then if you are signed into your Google account, you'll be able to search the Google for the contents of your screen, just like this. And if you have the buttons navigation enabled, which you can easily do or change by going to settings, then opening system settings and going to navigation mode, and here we can switch between gesture navigation and 3-button navigation. But anyway, if you have 3-button navigation enabled, you just have to hold your finger down on the middle button of your screen, and the same interface will be enabled, and just in the same way you'll be able to draw a circle around any object that you see on your smartphone screen. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.